Good afternoon, everyone. This is Mimi from Mimi Craft 24. I have a PR package I'm very excited to do. This is from Diamanté Creations, aka Diamonds on Canvas. I was sent this to do an unboxing and a review. So I just received this, so enough talking. Let's get into it. I can't wait. I have been waiting on this because it was supposed to have been here Friday, but for some reason it took a detour. But that's okay. I got it today. Bear with me, people. I'm doing this from the back because the front has my address and I couldn't get it off or cover it up, so I'm having to do it this way, but I need to be careful because I don't want to cut anything in here. And the struggle is real. Struggle bus for me. Might help if I use the sharp part of the blade instead of the flat side that's not fixed. Here we go. I think I got it. I got it. All right. Are y'all as excited as I am? My puppy's even excited. Oh, hold on. Let me put this so I don't cut myself or my puppy doesn't. You're going to have to move, Kai. I'm hoping I can get it out easily. Oh, let's see. Is there anything else? No. Now I'm going to put this out of the way so my address doesn't exactly get shown by mistake. This is how it came. You saw it, the box it came in. And here is this beautiful, gorgeous tote bag. And it does have the old name on it. She has since switched the name. And this is Diamonds on Canvas. Healing through diamond painting. All of her artwork is licensed, and this is a trademark. Okay, enough of my yip-yapping. I'm so excited, guys. Okay. All right, let's see. Here's the wonderful toolkit she was talking about. I'm just going to take everything out for right now, and I'll put everything back where you can see it. But I'm fighting with a little puppy here who wants to be in my way. But this bag that she came up with is gorgeous, pretty. Nope, no peeking. No peeking, people. Move. I'll put that up here. So, all right. Now let's get this all where we can see it. Did you get your nose back, you little stinker? Okay. All right. First things first. She sends these healing modalities, which in this case is 3 beautiful little cards. The first one I hope to receive. And on my... I'm sorry, I cannot read the hat. I am sorry. See. Oh, I hope to release home and on my... I don't know. And there's this beautiful maiden. It's kind of like a moon goddess. And this says... Oh, yeah, see, it's got all the phases of the moon. I release physical and emotional tension to create space for home. That is gorgeous. And then when you get this is almost like a little postcard. And it says, body scan. objective to bring awareness and relaxation to your body. And it's a message. I'm not going to read this. Also, all of her kits are $50. They are now technically available to be purchased on her website. They became live on Saturday. All right. Look at this cute little bunny rabbit. Isn't that cute? All right. I'm just going to dump it because I'm just too excited. Well, I thought I would. Anything else? Oh, my. There's so much stuff in. Boy, I tell you what. When she packs these little bags, she packs them. Okay, so there is. Now let's put this over here so y'all can kind of see it. I've got a weird setup, I know. Let's see. Now, okay. All right, here are two little flowers. They've got wax in them. There's 3 pallets of wax. Also, there is a plastic coating. You have to take the plastic coating off because if you don't, you won't be able to pick up your drills. And I am going to be doing a whip and chat showing these, so I can show all that to you then. Got some cute little tweezers, and they're a little sharp, but they're not like the stabby. Let's see, what is this? It is a cover minder, but I'm trying to see. Oh, it's a butterfly. Isn't that gorgeous? And then I have another cover minder, which is this beautiful rainbow. Perfect for the month of June. And then it comes with a regular diamond painting pen with this squishy. This is a 3-placer. And there's the pen. Will you please quit sniffing everything? And then here's another little pen. Hang on, I'm trying to figure out how to open it. I know there's got to be an easy way. I just get my fingers to cooperate. Arthritis is a pain, y'all. All right, we don't need that anymore. I'm going to trash that. This is a single placer, but it's beautiful. Look at those little. That's kind of like a fidget spinner right there. So I'm going to be trying that out. So I'll show that to y'all when I do that. And then you get this really awesome thing full of stickers. And I have grandchildren that with birthdays and all coming up, so I'll be using some of those on their gifts. And then she also put in these trays. And these trays are really neat. I'm just going to go ahead and open both of them. That way I have it done so y'all can see. All right, I'm just going to throw that packaging away because I'm not going to put them back in there. These have a top to them. So you can actually put your drills in here. You can put this on there if you want to and shake it, but you also put this on there to keep them from falling out while you're pouring them back into your container. Now, I actually do kit up. I do not leave them in the baggies, but I may do that with these because, now I'll kit it up because I like to use the symbols. I go by the symbols. And these do click together. Oh. See, this one's got the little end, and this has got the part that clips in. You just take it and slide them together. Whoops. I did not put this lid back on. There. And see, the lid clips on, does not fall off. That's amazing. You got 2 pretty spring colors. mint green, and peach. It's probably supposed to be pink, but to me it looks peach. Now, let's get into the heart of this. Here are the drills. And she's got them, she packages all of this herself. So she took the time to put these in an order. And let's see. Okay. Not sure. All right, let's see here. Give me a minute. I gotta get it open. I'm so excited I can't even get my hands to work, guys. These canvases are new, and they are, right now, as far as I know, exclusive to Italia Diamanté. These gorgeous, gorgeous paintings, as you can see, have no white whatsoever. It is the actual picture. So when you frame them, you can just put this whole thing in the frame because there's no legend or anything. Now, if you want to, you could cut the bottom off and the top, but why would you? Because it shows where you got it. Let's check the stick. Awesome stickiness. Oh, Lord. Let go of my finger. And each of these little bags here has a picture that will coincide with the picture on the canvas or down here in the thumbnail. And it has the legend along with the picture and the diamonds. So, and let's see, this one is picture number 5. So, and here's number, oh, and there are 12 in here. 9. And here's number 3. Give me a minute, Pete. I'm sorry, I'm going to get this real. Okay, here's number 1. Let's see, where is number 1? Here's number 1, which is the rabbit. So, let's do that. 1, where's number 2? That's 7. Oh, this one's upside down. Okay. I will be showing everyone all of these as soon as I get them in some type of order where I can understand. That's 9. 6. 5. Let's put number 1 right here so you can see it somewhat. All right, I'll put number 1 right here. Bear with me, everyone. I'm going as fast as I can. Hang on, I've just about got them all put together, everyone. All right. Where's number 10? Oh. My goodness, y'all. Okay, now. I think I may have done these backwards or upside down. No worries. Okay, now let's turn it this way. So, and I'm going to go ahead and slide this stuff out of my way. Okay. And this is going to be 1, 2, 1. Okay, it looks like there's 3, 6, 9. Yeah, there's going to be 3 sets of drills for 3 different paintings in here. And here is the beautiful legend. And, alrighty. Here is this little guy, which is a beautiful, beautiful little bunny. And let's see, I think there are 2 different fairy dust. I think per, hang on, I don't want to tell you. Yes, and they'll have an F in front of them. Let me see here, right there. They'll have F for fairy dust. And each diamond painting, and there are 12 in here, each one has 2 different types of colors of fairy dust. I'm so excited. And let's go ahead and I'll take these apart. She did this so that she could pack them and they would all fit in here correctly. So here is the ones for the bunny. And there are, like I said, there are 2 different fairy dust. And let's see, the first one, fairy dust, is number 5. Let's see if I can find a number 5 in here and show you or some. Oh, and this drill field, y'all. Okay. Here are the number 5s right here. Down in the rabbit. Like the little bow. But there's another one which is it's the letter O. And let's see if I can find that letter O real quick. I never do anything quick, y'all. I usually use a light board because I do wear glasses. D. It'll be a 10. Okay. So the first one is going to be down here in the red, and the other one, which is the other fairy dust, is going to be up here in its little cheeks and up around its ears. Again, these are gorgeous. I showed you the stick, but there is no white. They are scalped. Very soft back. There's 12 paintings, and they each come with their own drills, and they each come with 1, 2. They each have 2 fairy dust in each individual painting. So the fairy dust is not going to be the same in both paintings, in all 12 paintings. Here's a little bedtime mouse reading his bedtime story to make himself go to sleep. Here's the little mouse checking out, rocking in his chair. Again, this one also has 2 different colored fairy dust. I will be, like I said, doing a whip and chat. And when I'm doing the whip and chat, I will be showing the fairy dust. Here's this cute little fox. Kind of reminds me of like something, I don't know if any of y'all remember it, but you should. Inspector Gadget. Or even Get Smart. How he always wore the trench coat. But I think that's more of a blue jean jacket. Anyway. He's your little spy fox. He also has hang on. My fingers are not working. I apologize. Let's see. He also has 2 fairy dust in him. Oh my goodness. You know what I forgot to, let's see. Okay. I forgot to tell you, okay, on the little mouse, he has 19 colors. The other little cat, I think is what he is. He has 20. And the rabbit also has 20. And again, they each have 2 fairy dust to go with each painting. The same thing as this little fox. He has a total of 20 colors and 2 different fairy dust. This is going to be so pretty, y'all. And again, no white borders. Please make sure you keep your legends because they're with the diamonds. And then we have this cute little kitty cat. And she has 22 colors. Also 2 different fairy dust. This one is a green and a red. Look at those cute little eyes. And we have he kind of looks like a mad duck instead of Angry Birds. That's what I'm trying to think of, Angry Birds. And he has 17 colors. So he didn't have it. But now with this one, he won't take no time because there's a lot of blocking. And when I say blocking, it's all one color in one area. Like, see, you have all this black here, 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 here. That's called blocking. So it's easy to get it done quickly. And he only has 17 colors. And 2 fairy dust. And here's this cute little girl with was that a bee or a butterfly? A butterfly on her nose. Let's see. And she has 20 colors. Again, 2 different colors of fairy dust. And there's always going to be some extra. So you're going to have all these extra fairy dust. Compliments of Italian Diamante. And she has also 2 fairy dust. Let's see. Kind of a taupey color, which is going to be down here. And hang on, I got to find it. Oh, I thought I knew right where it was at, but again, I don't. Oh, here it is. It's the red around her nose, where her little nose and stuff is, and her eyebrows. And she has 2 fairy dust. These are so pretty. And see, you can see the background without all the white, and you can actually see the actual picture. That just makes it stand out so much better. And the canvases are all very sticky. Again, I'll show you the stick. And this cute little girl looks like she's just like, oh boy, I'm bored. Just like a kid. But you can see her pigtails. Here it shows her little bow. So pretty. And she has 26 colors. And again, 2 fairy dust. A white, which is right here. And hang on, I'm trying to see where it's at. Okay. Oh, right up here in her hair. So that's going to give her hair more sparkle. But this one has 28 colors. And then here's this cute little girl with all the sunflowers. I love sunflowers. Let's see, she has 16 colors, 2 fairy dust, it's going to be this orange right here, and the sunflower, and hang on, let me find the other one. That'll be a dark color. This one I can't really, okay, it is the color of her hair right here, the darker brown. And again, the stick is amazing. Oh, also this plastic on here is not that flimsy, crinkly plastic. It's a thicker covering. Should I say it's not plastic, it's a dust cover. Get your stuff together there, Deb. Well, okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay. All right, we're down to our last 3. This one is so cute with the little hearts. Kind of like conversation hearts. This has got all colors in it. This got all the real pretty spring colors. Now, this one has 17 colors. And 2 fairy dust. This is a red. Make sure I'm telling you the right, yeah. Right here in this little heart, this pink. And then, let's see. This is going to be up here in the darker color, which is a D. I'm trying, y'all. And like I said, this is 17 colors in this one. Major stickage. And see, oh, let me show you. See? It didn't have that real crinkly. It crinkles a little bit, but not like other crinkles. And it's so smooth. These just are so flat. You get it. I mean, you saw me take this one right out of the package. And they're all individually packed for you. And there's this beautiful Easter cross. But this could be used for Easter, Christmas, just any time. It doesn't have to, it's an everyday. I love it. Kind of looks like a rainbow. And this one has 19 colors, 2 fairy dust. Okay, the first one is going to be right up here in this orange. And the next one, let's see if I can find this. Okay, it's going to be right here, spread it out. It's like a purplish color. But that is going to be so pretty. Again, like I said, it has 19 colors. All right. They're coming to an end. Here is the last canvas. Again, there are 12 different canvases. Here's the drills, which there are 19 colors with this one. Again, 2 fairy dust. Which is, one is a purple. Right? Kind of a light purple. Get where y'all can see it. Right in here. And there's a bunch of it all through here. And then the other one is the dark purple. Again, has an amazing stick to it. Now, I'm going to open this one pack of diamonds, and I'm going to pull out the sheet, the legend. Now, one thing about it not being attached, you can kind of put it wherever you want to. And all of these are in individual bags. They are numbered 1 through 19. I'm checking to see, is this a sticker? No, this does not have a sticker. They're not a sticker, it's just cardboard. But, I mean, you can still do it with the numbers. You just, like, number 1 is number 1. This is letters and alphabet. So there's no symbols. So that would be easy to put into a container with 1 through 8 on this one, and then A, and find your alphabet. Because I like to put them in bottles because I have a little dog and I have grandkids. So just so I don't have any spillage, you know, maybe next time when she does with these, especially with the white background, they have the stickers. I mean the legend separately. Maybe it could be done on sticker paper, or you can make your own if you have, which I don't have one, is the Xyron label maker, I guess you just put this through the Xyron. It's got a special tape to it, and it turns them into a sticker where you can put them on there. But there are the 12 gorgeous paintings. And like I said, they all have 2 different fairy dust, which is amazing in itself. And you're going to have something left, so you can always keep them. And each one of them, the fairy dust is a different color. So it's not all paintings are going to have the red or the blues. They're all different. So that's going to make them all pop in a different way. Well, I will be coming out with another video, probably, if not tomorrow, then Wednesday, I will be doing a whip and chat. That way I can show y'all how I do my diamond painting. I can't wait to see y'all again. These paintings are available. They were available starting May 17th for $50. I will leave a link in my description so you can click on it, so you can go straight to her page, so you can let her know you want to purchase this, and then she will send it out to you. Now, they do come priority mail. Takes usually 3 to 4 days, but for some reason mine took a little longer. I don't know what happened. I don't really care because I got it today, which is fine. So, everyone, thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the little share button, the notification bell. And the main thing is, I don't know if I can do this correctly. Remember, y'all are all loved. Also share. Again, thank you to Diamanté Canvas Creations. These are also, they're also referred to as diamondettes. This is the spring Easter palette. Oh, I did forget to mention too, and I'm sorry, all of the paintings, every single one of them, are 21 by 32 centimeters. So I'm going to close for now, everyone. Everyone have a great day. God bless you. And if you think someone else would like this, share it to them. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. It would mean the world to me. Again, thank you, everyone. Bye for now.